Hey YouTube, here with another video. We're going to be doing headlights install and the directional on a 2010 through 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. So I went ahead and got this little pack here. It's like $1.99, you know, just so you don't touch the lens. And we're going to be changing out the directional and the headlight. So here they are. Here's this one. It's a really easy, easy and straightforward job. So we're going to be taking it off from the back. So this one here, it's going to be that one there. So we're going to be switching that one out there. I know it's hard to see, but yeah, that's the one we're going to be doing. So here, you just turn it. You're turning it to the right. That comes off the cap, and then there's a bulb in there. It's hard to see in there, but it's in there. There's the end of it right there, the green piece. And what we're gonna do is turn that one as well, and it comes right out just like that. And there's a little tab in the back of it right here. We press that and it releases it. Here's the old one. So here's the old one. It's even broke. It's like broke and worn out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one. And we're going to repeat the same process. Just pretty much grab this and then clip it right on. And it goes right back in there just the way it was before. Make sure it's nice and tight in there. And the cap. That's it. That's it for that one. Now we're gonna do the signals. This is for the turn signals. When you're on the turn signal, it went out, so I got gloves, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and repeat the same. We're gonna go ahead and take the old turn signal out, put the new one on. And for that one, there's this one here, this brown one, and there's a little, this one we're gonna turn it as well. Turn it right and it comes right out. So here's the old one. This is the old one. And we'll just take this one out. It just comes right out, from there, the whole housing. We're gonna take that out. Get this new one and install that one. Or actually, what we're gonna do is take the housing out and this one here. So we're just gonna put some of this like that, put this one in there, and this could go clip right back on there, like so, like this. Make sure it's snug in there. Throw it back on, throw it back in there, and give it a turn. Make sure it's nice and snug and tight, and I would say 3 to 5 minutes tops. It's a real easy job, straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, see if they come on. So there you go, there you have it. Those weren't working, this one wasn't working, the directional and that. So just slap them on there, take them off, put them back on. Guys, that's it for this video. As you can see, all of the lights are working, everything's working good. See you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. All right.